Hey, what's good guys, welcome back to Team QVD, and this is the full review of Android Wear 2.0 on the Moto360 second generation. So the process to get the update was a bit tedious, but I'll leave a Reddit thread down in the description that will give you step-by-step instructions on how to technically force the OTA update onto your watch, but it's still worth the wait. So let's get started. The most obvious new update is the redesigned user interface. While on the watch face it doesn't look very different, if you go deep down into the layers you'll definitely find out changes. For starters, most of the UI elements now are made up of dark colors that improves the readability of a lot of the UI. The app drawer is still called by the same way by pressing the crown at the 2 o'clock position of the watch, but the app icons now are laid out along the circumference of the watch, which looks sick. You can press and hold an app to make it your favorite, which will bring it to the top of your app list. The watch face also has some deep secrets underneath its layer. Google calls these as complications, and they are basically other UI elements that you can add over your watch face. For example, I have my step counter and battery percentage shown up here, and since I love music, who doesn't? I placed a complication to change the background of the watch face to the cover art of the album. It keeps the experience fresh but still fundamentally of a watch experience. Android Wear 2.0 is present to make the watch independent of the phone, and Google is trying really hard on that. There is now an integrated Play Store within the watch where you can download native watch apps that don't need a mobile counterpart. So as long as you have Wi-Fi, you can literally call an Uber from your wrist. That's a very 2017 thing to say. The native app support also brings Google Assistant to the watch, and it's very useful. So as long as you are again connected to Wi-Fi, you can ask Google Assistant just about any question that you might have. Last but certainly not the least is the Smart Reply feature on the new OS. You can now speak your response into the watch, or you can use a keyboard to text. It might be a bit awkward, but hey, it's there. Also, the emoji recognition is pretty cool, where you can just draw the emoji and let Google identify it. Android Wear 2.0 on your wrist is accompanied by Android Wear 2.0 on your phone. The app now lets you view the watch storage and also the battery levels and expected battery levels. Now, if you have concerns over the performance of the watch with the new update, let me tell you, it's been fantastic. I've been using the update for about a day and a half now, and I haven't noticed any lag. In fact, it's actually faster than the previous update, so I definitely recommend you getting the update right now. Android Wear 2.0 was definitely worth the wait and hassles to get the OTA. If I find any problems with it, I'll update that on my blog article, the link for which is down below, so you can check that out. That's it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button down below. Either way, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you soon in the next one.